Hello again. Time to make another video, and what have we got here? Very nice bright orange little Toyota Aygo. So let's just take a look inside. It's got the piano black and contrasting orange trim, and the grey and orange seating, so comes with the genuine mats. Very nice looking little car. Let's just have a start up. It's also got this touchscreen connectivity with the DAB radio. So you've got huge choice of stations there. Also got the Bluetooth telephone. And if you pop up the menu here on this one, you'll find it's also got the vehicle menu you can bring up there. What else have we got? It's also got the Navi. There you go, some nice useful features with that. Car also comes with air conditioning, and it's got your sockets there for your devices. Just turn that down a minute, and so you got the radio controls there as well, and your Bluetooth phone controls also there on the other side of the steering wheel. Let's just take it for a drive. Just had a new clutch in it, so nice and easy to drive. Comes with a full service history, all done at Toyota. So it's been very well maintained. If we can see that in the book here. There we go. And let's flick through to there. You've got 6, 7, 8, 9 services all done at Toyota. So very well looked after car. Just take a look outside. Yeah, stunning looking bodywork. Got the daytime running lights. Looks nice with the orange and black. You got the black alloys, contrasting orange stripes. All nice and clean inside. 5-door model as well, so useful if you're picking anyone up. There you go, what a super little car. Just the boot release there. There's a decent amount of room in the back for a little thing like this. Zero road tax as well, so very low running costs. Well, there you go. If you're interested, feel free to give me a shout on the usual number, or drop me an email if you've got any more questions. And thank you again for watching.